Ever wondered why users start your quiz but don't always make it to the finish line? Hey there! Today we'll learn how to use Question Funnel and Outgrow to identify friction points and improve completion rates. Log into your Outgrow dashboard and open the content piece you'd like to analyze. Next, head over to Analyze and open User Funnels. Here you can see exactly how users move through each question. In this example, most questions have a gradual drop in responses. But notice what happens at question 8. Question 7 has 97 completions, while question 8 drops to just 74 completions. That's a much larger drop than the previous questions and is a clear sign of friction. Let's see why. Question 8 uses a ranking grid and asks users to rate their confidence across multiple areas. Compared to the earlier questions, this requires more thinking and more clicks, which can make some users leave before completing the quiz. To reduce friction, try simplifying the question. You can shorten the wording, reduce the number of items users need to rank, or replace the grid with simpler question types like single select or drop-down questions. You can also add helpful microcopy, such as, "A quick estimate is perfectly fine." Small instructions like these make the question feel less intimidating. And don't forget to encourage users with progress messaging like, "You're almost there," or "Just one question left." These simple nudges often help improve completion rates. Once you've made your changes, click on Publish Changes. With Outgrow, you can track question-by-question completion, identify high drop-off points, optimize your question flow, and create interactive experiences that keep users engaged until the end. Try it yourself and start building quizzes and calculators with higher completion and conversion rates. Sign up for Outgrow's 7-day free trial today.